If you're taking the Agentforce Specialist exam, this is the most important pattern you need to memorize. Agentforce becomes predictable, or deterministic, only when variables and filters work together. Here's the exam logic. The variable stores the information. This could be, is customer verified? Is approved? Has required input? Variables hold the state so the agent can reference it later. The filter controls the action. A filter checks the variable and decides, yes, run this action, or no, block it. This two-step pattern solves almost every scenario the exam will test. If the question says, only run an action after verification, prevent the agent from acting too early, ensure predictable outcomes, block execution unless a condition is met. The correct answer almost always involves a variable plus a filter working together. This concept appears in multiple exam questions. Replay this clip before your test. It's one of the highest value topics.